Hello and welcome to Montana Tech's tutorial video on how to use our help support website. The first thing we're going to do is hit this sign in button up here, and you're going to sign into your Montana Tech account. Once you're signed in, you should see your name displayed in the top right corner. If you want a written version of this tutorial, you can hit this help button up here and it will take you to the written version. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to search the client portal, and this is where you can search for anything you want on our help support website that may be relevant to the issue that you're having. For instance, if we type password, you can see all relevant information that comes up with the password. We're going to click this first link, and it displays some information and tools to help you out. You can also hit report a problem to send it to an IT technician, or add or remove it to your favorites. Once in your favorites, you should see it under your favorites tab for easy access. You can also see your ticket requests, and this will also show you the status of your tickets. We're going to navigate back to the home page, and this is how to manually navigate. So we're going to go under knowledge base, and these are written answers that have already been solved. And you can usually solve your issues with one article. Let's say, for instance, you wanted to go under changing profile information. This will show you all the relevant information to the topic. And you can also add or remove articles to your favorites. And then they're displayed under your My Favorites tab in the knowledge base. Knowledge base and My Favorites tabs are separate, so your services won't be included with your knowledge base favorites. Now if we go back to the home page, you can click on our Maintenance and Alerts tab, and here we'll regularly post phishing alerts or IT general announcements. You can also report phishing here or learn about phishing. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to use that help desk website. Thank you.